Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren has appealed to all underground groups in the state to come forward for peace process. He was attending an interactive session with aspirants of civil services examination who are currently joining coaching under Chief Minister Gi coaching scheme. The interactive session was held at MG Hall, Imphal. FETED has pledged to continue with cease work strike and rally hunger strike if the government does not fulfill their demands. FETED is on a cease work strike since January 8, demanding 7th UGC pay scale. Voting for the 70-member Delhi Assembly began at 8 a.m. today in an election that saw the ruling Aam Aadmi Party, opposition BJP and the Congress engage in a bitterly fought high-octane campaign. Over 1.47 crore voters are eligible to exercise their franchise. Coronavirus has claimed 722 lives in China as of now, while the number of confirmed cases has risen to 34,546. Chinese health authorities announced today. The epidemic is almost certain to become more deadly than severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS, which had claimed 774 lives globally during 2002-2003 as per a media report. In India, 15 Kerala students who were stranded in Hubei province of China landed at the Cochin International Airport last night and underwent a thermal screening for the infection. Sagolman MLA RK Imo today underlined on the need of maintaining transparency. The Congress MLA was speaking during a function to inaugurate a community hall of Local Youth Development Association Kwakaithel Laima Khujam Laikai in Imphal. Speaking at the function, RK Imo talked about the government-sponsored developmental programs for the welfare of the people. He assured that he will work for the growth of the state. A blood donation camp was held today at Regular English High School campus Kwakaithel, Haino Khongnembi, marking the Golden Jubilee celebration of Regular Tutorial Home. The blood donation camp was organized by the Tutorial Center in collaboration with Regular Educational Trust and Caesar Hospital. Kwakta residents have expressed displeasure over what they said substandard blacktopping on Inter-Village Road under Kwakta Municipal Council of Moirang. It has been alleged that the blacktopping on Thaibong Makhong Thingel Inter-Village Road, Ring Road under the council is of very low quality. The All Assam Students Union, ASU, AJYCP, the artist community and other organizations will take out a torchlight procession against the Citizenship Amendment Act throughout the state today. ASU and other organizations opposing the CAA asserted that the act, which violated the provisions of Assam Accord, is an anti-indigenous legislation imposed on Assam against the wishes of its people. Jorhat Bej Toklai Tea Research Institute will soon come up with an artificial intelligence center of excellence as per a media report. The center will be first of its kind for tea industry globally. 8Th Technologies, one of the leading agri-tech companies based in Mohali, has offered to set up the center at Toklai at their own cost to accelerate data-driven technologies in the tea industries. Residents of around 7 villages surrounding Alo in Arunachal Pradesh pledged to preserve Siom, one of the most prominent rivers of the West Siang district. The villagers inked a PEG Yumgo Accord yesterday, which aims to involve all citizens of West Siang, especially those living on the banks of the Siom, to come together and work to revive and conserve the river and all its tributaries. Hong Kong has begun a mandatory 2-week quarantine for anyone arriving from mainland China in a fresh effort to contain the deadly new coronavirus. Visitors must isolate themselves in hotel rooms or go to government-run centers. While returning Hong Kong, residents must stay inside their homes as per media report. Players who have participated in National SEPAKTAKRAW Championships were fitted at Kairang Maninglekai Multipurpose Hall today. They had participated in various different National SEPAKTAKRAW Championships at Ranchi, Hyderabad and Katapa. SEPAKTAKRAW officials and coaches organized the felicitation program. Former Pakistan batsman NASIR JAMSHED has been sentenced to 17 months of prison at Manchester Crown Court as he pleaded guilty to conspiracy to bribe fellow cricketers in the Pakistan Super League. According to reports, the 33-year-old Jamshed was handed a 10-year ban by the PCB in 2018 and he was expecting a custodial sentence after changing his plea on the opening day of his trial. Smriti Mandhana slammed a super half-century as India produced an improvised batting show to notch up a 7-wicket win over Australia in the 5th T20, keeping themselves in the hunt for the finals at the Women's Triangular Series in Melbourne today.